Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another presentation from me, Teech. Today, in my presentation, I will talk about a cause and effect. That is my informative speech, and the cause and effect that I would like to cover for this presentation is, sadly, I'm so sorry, I would like to talk about the causes of breakups in a relationship. So there are many causes of a breakup, any romantic relationships. As this quote by Shakespeare says, to be in love is to be a fool. Be in love is to be a fool. And to be a fool in love is much better than being alone. Much better than being alone. But at the same time, falling in love is easy. Falling out of love is hell. So that is the quote that I like to share, just to make you think about this topic. So what are the causes? What are the causes? But before that, I need to ask you also, have you been in love before? And more importantly, have you been out of love? If your answer is yes and yes, now listen very carefully, because these are some of the reasons why people fall out of love. These are some of the reasons why breakups happen. The first is they fall in love too fast and too furious. The love happens just too fast. They didn't become friends first, right? They just got to know each other for about a few days, a few weeks, and they already think that they are in love with each other. Because of this, the effect, of course, the relationship cannot last for too long. So it is good to remember that you can start a love relationship from a good friendship, a strong friendship, but from love you cannot go back to becoming friends. That's the first point. Too fast, too furious. So take it slow, steady, relax, and feel the love. Another reason why people fall out of love, the effect of falling out of love happens because suddenly they found someone new. Oh, so sad. They found someone new. It seems in the beginning they think they were in love with each other. But in truth, they were just waiting for someone else to come into their life. So think very hard. Ask yourself, the person that you think you are in love with now, is that really the person that you want to be with for the rest of your life? Because the effect of that can be very, very hard. Can be very, very heartbreaking. Not just for you, but for the person in your life. For that special person in your life. Another reason, of course, a common reason, is because suddenly both of you feel that you want to do something else already with your life. You fall in love, you met each other, spend some time together, you're happy, but suddenly maybe the guy thinks that he wants to do something else with his life, or the girl says, well, I need to finish some things in my life first before I take this relationship to the next level. So they break up. At the end, they break up. That's the effect, right? They break up, and the cause is because they just lost interest in each other. So there you go. Some of the reasons why people fall out of love. People face relationship breakups. Something for you to think about. Quite a heavy topic, of course. But at the same time, to conclude, that flower that now withers that flower of love that now dies. At the beginning, there was love. There was love there. And as long as that memory lives on, well, take a chance. Fall in love. And maybe fall out of love. And again. Until one day, you find the right person to spend the rest of your life with. So that's it. No need to be too sad. The cause and effect of falling out of love, you already know now the reasons why. And the effect is also very, very heartbreaking. You lose feelings, you lose hope. But never ever lose your dreams. Your dream of becoming happy and of spending the rest of your days with someone special, that special someone in your life until the day you die. Thank you for listening to me. I'll see you in my next presentation. Assalamualaikum.